Here we have Cadram RGB puck lights. I'm going to unbox them and show you how to use them. I ordered these on Amazon for a light project I'm working on, but they've been in my shopping cart for a while because I feel like there's so many cool uses and applications for them. Here is the inside of the box. We got the double-sided tape and 2 remotes in the front and the 6 bulbs in the back. Note, it does not come with batteries. You'll need 3 AA's for each one. I did add batteries to the first 2 because I wanted to show you how they work. You just press them to turn them on and rotate through the colors. There's also a remote, which I'll show you later. The batteries go into the back, which twists off as you see here. You'll need 18 batteries total. You can get rechargeable ones if you want to be more sustainable. Here's what the remote looks like from the package. Just open it up and pull out the plastic part and it's ready to use. I'm going to walk you through how it works. Right now they are on white, on, off. Those are easy, right? And then we have red, red, orange, orange, yellow, green, teal, cyan, light blue, dark blue, indigo, violet, and magenta. And then back to white. Now I'll show you these other features here at the top. Smooth is going to cycle you through all of them. While I show you that, I'll show you the plus, and the minus makes it brighter or less bright. And then we have fade, which I don't love, but it kind of just blinks them on and off. And then you can click it again and it makes it faster. And then of course the 30-minute versus 60-minute here. This means the lights will last 30 minutes. This means the lights will last 60 minutes. And then if you don't click either of those, so let me just turn it on and put it on smooth. This just means they'll last indefinitely. So unless you click these, they're just gonna last until you turn them off. And that is the remote. It's pretty intuitive and I hope that helps. We have a few more things inside the box. Here are the instructions, front and back, pretty simple, and also the double-sided tape. Fairly easy to use. Just peel off one side, stick it on the puck light, peel off the other side and stick it to your wall. These usually stick pretty well and last a long time, so should be good to use. That's really all there is to it. You can put them on different colors, have fun with it. I'm excited to give them a shot, and when I make my project with these, I'll be sure to link it below. My name is Lisa Librafito. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.